Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how to set a work profile on Android. You can create a work profile on your own. It must be set up by your company through a mobile device management or unified endpoint management platform. Once your company configures MDM, you'll enroll your device by installing an app from the Google Play Store, which is the MDM app. The app will walk you through step-by-step instructions to enable the work profile on your phone. Just go to Settings, Passwords, Passkeys, and Accounts, and if your work profile is active, you'll see that option there. This is also the place to remove the work profile if your organization allows it. To switch between profiles, open your app drawer and you'll see tabs for Work and Personal. Work apps are marked with a blue briefcase icon to the corner so you can tell them apart from the personal apps. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.